In this video, we'll explain the basics of what a form definition is in TrellisSpark. As the name implies, a form definition contains all the configuration details of how a form will be displayed on the screen. At its most basic level, a form is what your users will see when they create, read, update, or delete records in the database. Form definitions are like the building blocks of how you create user experiences in TrellisSpark. There are 4 different types of form definitions: application, concept, portal, and wizard. The most common is the concept form definition. Here's an example of a completed concept form definition presented in our demo workspace. The concept form definition defines everything that is displayed in this area of the screen, including all the tabs and fields. Every form definition has the option to create an unlimited number of tabs. On each tab, you can define any combination of fields to display. The way you position fields on a tab is by specifying coordinates on a grid that is 12 columns wide, an unlimited number of rows, and an unlimited number of layers. You can also map any field to span across as many columns and rows as you want. This provides a lot of flexibility in configuring your pages. The UX Creator application is where you create and configure all your form definitions. This is the concept form definition from our demo, and here is where the names of the tabs are specified. Notice how there is a number next to each tab. This number is used to arrange the tabs from left to right in ascending order, the lowest number being the first tab. The data model is where you can define all the fields that you want to display. The lifecycle is where you can define the different allowed lifecycle states and how a record can transition from one state to the next. You can also configure different workflow activities, access permissions, and other advanced features. When creating a new form definition, there are 4 basic things that you always need to specify: the name of the form type, at least one field definition that can be used for the build instance name, at least one lifecycle state that can be used as the default state of records created with the form. In the next video, we'll go back to our veterinary application example and create a new concept form definition that will enable us to view and update pet records.